If you're preparing to sell your home, this is the video you're going to want to watch. We're going through tips and tricks on how to stage your home perfectly to get the most amount of views and to get the highest price for your property. So, as always, I'm Garrett Lister. We're a licensed realtor in the Saint Petersburg market. So if you're looking for a home to buy or sell in Saint Petersburg, feel free to reach out to me. My information is down below, and let's get started. The first thing you want to start with is decluttering and depersonalizing your space. Now, people are coming in and they want to envision their life living in your home. So make sure you take all pictures, personal items down off the home so they can walk through and imagine themselves living there, their pictures on the wall, and just make sure everything's clean so they can envision themselves living there. Secondly, to go alongside the good first impression you want to provide is make sure the yard is maintained very nicely. Have the yard guy that you have come out a couple days before the showing or the open house. Make sure that is all in order, as well as you want the exterior of the home itself to look really nice. You want it at least pressure washed if you're not going to paint it, but ideally if you can have it pressure washed and put a fresh coat of paint around the home, that really attracts a lot of buyers. Make sure to stick to neutral colors so you don't deter anyone that doesn't like any bolder colors that you might choose. You've got the outside looking good, you've got the inside cleaned up. When they walk in, make sure that you have all the lights on in the house. Make sure everything's well lit and you can see all the aspects of the home. And if you do decide to paint the interior of the house, same advice as the outside, make sure it's a neutral color that's not going to turn off any potential buyers. If you go with some kind of crazy yellow or green or some color that most people don't like, just stick with something basic, a nice white, eggshell finish. No one can complain about that. You're going to want to make sure all your furniture is in place and make sure it serves a purpose. If you have a couple things that have been handed down to you and you just don't want to get rid of, maybe try to store them away somewhere for the showings or the open house. Just make the house flow as best as possible. You know, they see a couch and say, oh, I can sit there with my family, watch the show. Anything like that is fine. But if you have personal items or kind of personal furniture that's cluttering up or in any of the walkways, make sure that's all gone so they can walk through the house and the home has a really good flow to it. And the last tip comes from my wife, is to have at least 5 potted plants or flowers around the home. It really does make a difference. It makes the home seem lively, inviting, just kind of a friendly vibe overall. And it really, really helps people envision themselves living there and not just a wall with four walls and beds and couches and things like that. It really makes it a livable space. Good luck listing your home. I hope this helped. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below or contact me directly. My information's down there. And good luck, guys. Bye.